Last month, I was really delighted to meet 8 Somali scholars who are heading to the UK for their one-year master's course, thanks to the Chevening Scholarship Programme. The scholars will be studying a variety of subjects from information security, public health, conflict resolution, environmental policy, aviation and development finance. And this will help make a difference once they return to Somalia. The scholarship, funded by the UK, provides financial support to outstanding individuals with leadership potential to study postgraduate courses at universities across the UK. And during my time here so far in Somalia, it's been really inspiring to meet Chevening alumni who are now making an impact in public life in Somalia. And there's huge potential here in Somalia, and I'm really keen to see as many Somalis as possible from all walks of life and from across Somalia to apply for this life-changing opportunity. So you now have 1 month left to apply to the deadline. So please, if you've got dreams, ambitions and leadership potential, I encourage you to apply before the 3rd of November. And for more information, please visit the chevening.org website and the British Embassy's Twitter and Facebook pages.